Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you the best beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new hairstyles of haircut and hair dye color ideas. Short bob haircuts, front bunks, curtains. All designs are so gorgeous, so fabulous and trendy guys. I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos with family members and family members. Press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos. When today's video has very stylish USA girls, Russian girls, Italian girls and haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must suggest you watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media account, share it with your family members, so that they can visit my channel about the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and will never miss any collections and videos of my channel. And don't forget to give feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful video and more useful content. Guys, I have uploaded different haircuts designs. Do you have new ideas of new haircuts and new hairstyle ideas? Amazing, very stylish plus size bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. If you are a businesswoman or as a housewife, these haircuts will look very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos today. I will daily post a video like this, different short hairstyles and pixie hair fine look over that is different hairstyles I shall be showing in my video today. Super stunning and stylish short bob haircuts are stunning and latest very stylish bob haircuts. Today you will see in these videos and solid hair color ideas very outstanding. You can see this new hair short pixie bob haircuts and style ideas. When you must watch my full video and you take a screenshot or whatever haircut or hairstyle you can like after taking a screenshot. You can save it to your mobile, and whenever you have haircut or hairstyle your mobile by showing this picture, you can get your haircut from beautician in your area. Viewers, please visit my YouTube channel and subscribe my channels. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You can get amazing ideas of haircut, hairstyle ideas, and hair dye ideas. I hope you like my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. If you are businesswoman or the housewife, they look very beautiful, amazing, stylish. Okay, bye. Take care. Thanks for watching my video.